Alright, let's do it. The fish. Cut the fins. With the knife, scale the fish. Put it in a butthole and work your way towards the head so that you can remove the guts. Pull the guts out. After that, wash the fish nicely. Put it in a dish. Make incisions in the fish from both sides. Safflower, clove spice it up nicely, flip it up and spice it up on the other side. Beautiful. Rub it in from both sides, rub in the spice, splash of olive oil. Oven is hot, preheat to 200 degrees. Put the fish in, shut it down, cook for 30 minutes, then turn it off. Now the rice. 1 cup of rice. Into the pot, on the hot heat, add 3 cups of water. 1, 2, 3. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper mix. Shut it down, boil it. Turn off the fish now. Nice. Rice is boiling. Let's see the fish. Look at that. Nice, beautiful, tasty, steamy, and delicious. By the way, cook the rice for 20 minutes on the low heat. Let's see. Smells so good. Look at this beautiful rice. Service on the plate. Beautiful. Now put the fish on top. Let's see how it looks like. Delicious, nice, beautiful, tasty, steamy, and delicious rice and fish. Let's try it. So yummy. Like, share, and subscribe, my friend.